Hey everybody, we're down here at Chuck's Farm Equipment. Got some hay rakes for sale. Here's a couple of good wheel rakes, 3-point hitch pickup, 650 bucks. Pretty good shape. Get the job done right. Over here we got some more hay rakes. They're 3-point hitch, $800. Pretty good shape, work good. Here's a pull behind roller bar, $256. Good rake. That was a good rake. $15.50 for that one. Here's another pickup, $850. These are really good rakes. So check out the information below and give us a call and Chuck will hook you up. Thanks everybody.